Boeing has withdrawn its F-A-18 and has offered the F-15EX under the 114 MRFA tender, and Boeing officials gave a detailed briefing on the latest offer to the Indian Defense Minister on his ongoing visit to United States, which also has the backing from the Biden administration that wants India to move away from Russian hardware. The F-15EX can carry 28% more payload than its predecessor F-15E, and Boeing has claimed that the F-15EX with rapid technology insertion capabilities will ensure that the platform remains relevant for decades to come. Brazil-based aircraft manufacturer Embraer has said that the company is looking to secure additional sales of its CRJ-145 platform for the Indian Air Force's Netra program. Embraer officials also confirmed that they have pitched the C-390 Millennium multi-mission aircraft to the Indian Air Force and have briefed Indian Air Force officials about the aircraft. The C-390 is a direct challenger to the American C-130J Hercules, which is already operated by the Indian Air Force, and is looking to procure 6 more C-130J to further expand its fleet for a wide array of missions. The Embraer C-390 has fuel-efficient engines and has a ferry range of 6,130 kilometers, which is higher than the 3,900 kilometers range of the C-130J. It has a maximum payload capacity of 26 metric tons and can airdrop 19 metric tons of load, or 66 paratroopers with full operational gear. The Indian Navy had released a request for information in 2020 for the development of a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system that will be retrofitted on an existing in-service submarine to replace older lead-acid batteries for underwater propulsion. The Navy had selected the vendor and had approved the development of a compact lithium-ion battery pack that will first replace the older lead-acid batteries on a Kilo-class submarine for user trials purposes, and if found satisfactory, it will be later adapted on the other Kilo-class submarines, followed by the 6 Kalvari-class submarines. Mazagon Dock Limited will soon retrofit the lithium-ion battery pack on the first Kilo-class submarine along with next-generation sensors and electronics that will improve the underwater endurance by 3 times, as compared to the existing 72-hour endurance provided by the lead-acid batteries. At the US-India 2+2 meeting, India and the United States have decided to explore the possibilities of Indian shipyards to maintain and repair US military Sea-Lift Command ships that will further boost the India-US defense trade and will also bring additional business to the Indian shipyards. US military Sea-Lift Command ships are made up of a core fleet of ships owned by the US Navy and others under long-term charter, augmented by short-term or voyage chartered ships. The Indian Air Force has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with IIT-Madras to develop indigenous solutions to maintain various weapon systems. The Indian Air Force has identified key focus areas involving technology development and finding indigenous solutions towards sustenance of various weapon systems, and the institute will provide consultancy duly supported by research for feasibility studies and prototype development, as well as contribute in indigenization efforts by the base repair depots of the Air Force.
Omar dropped it.